This is also very nice today on the 12th of January 2023. This is Mäntytie, weekend 25, stickers B. It is connected to the stickers A. I was here in stickers A before, but I had not noticed that there's a stickers B also in the same corridor, just through the same door there. They have stage 3 versions of the photographs. It's also here in Meilahti, Helsinki, also in Finland. So you can also watch a separate video from before. Also Kone pictures. 55 was here. And it was built in 1965, Horizon 1997, and Civilization 12944. Turned 55 years old in 2020, and Civilization turned 25 years old in the next year, 2022. It's going to be expected this year, 2023. So that's 2 lines.
Yeah.
Green light. Still very nice.
Yeah.
I believe it must have been released in the beginning of 1997.
Yeah.
So this is like mid-90s type. Well, one version. It's a little bit early, more
Yeah. Expected by Kiwais, but maintained by Spice.
There's an attic for the yellow, we should also go there.
Yeah.
At least one extra is important visual access.
Yeah.
Finish. And I think the machine is still part of the original.
Yeah. That's
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.